G'day everyone, Daniel Anderson here. Welcome back to another episode of my educational series that's targeted more at the education sector, but this one in particular it can be used in multiple different scenarios. And today we're going to take a look at the integration between Microsoft Stream and Microsoft Teams. Now, the question, how this came about is I saw a post from in one group that asked the question about how, as a teacher, how I can record a video and just make that available to my class and not have the rest of the school have visibility over that video. So keep that just to our class. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to use Stream. We're going to, now you can record yourself or record your video on whatever device or whatever platform that you're using to record your video. You could use the Microsoft Stream app directly on your mobile device, which now allows for that, but you don't need to. You can just use your mobile phone, for example. And then what we're going to do is we're going to upload it to Stream and we're going to make that available to my class inside of Microsoft Teams. But I'm going to secure that so that the rest of the school doesn't have access to that video or visibility over that video. Okay, so let's kick things off. We're going to jump into Stream first. So just from the Office 365 homepage, I'm going to click on Stream. So I'm logged in as a teacher. I'm going to go to My Content and I'm going to go to Videos. All right, so you can see here I've got a couple of videos here already. You'll notice from the icons here, the green means that it's that is visible to the whole organization, and yellow means it's only visible to private. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is I've got a pre-recorded video here, and I'm just going to drag and drop this video across here. All right. Now, as we scroll down the page here, what we can see is there's a permission section. Now, by default, what you'll notice is that this is automatically selected. So allow everyone in your company, in this case, our school, to view this video, but we don't want that. So we're going to untick that and we're just going to get a little warning and we're just going to say yes. Now, what I do want to do though, is I want to make this available to my class, which is grade 5A. All right, so I'm going to select grade 5A and you'll notice here that they've got the ability, or it's going to display to that grade, that team. All right, now I'm going to publish that video. All right, so now I've unticked available to the whole organization, but I have made it available to grade 5A. Now, let's bring that into our class team. All right, so before I leave Stream, I'm going to click Share and I'm going to copy this link to the video. So I'm going to copy that. Now, I've already got the team open in another tab here. Now, what we're going to use is the Microsoft Stream tab. All right, so this plus button allows us to add a tab, and I'm going to choose Stream. Now, what that's going to ask me is, do I want to embed the channel or do I want to embed just a video? All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to choose video in this case, and I'm going to click inside this text box. I'm going to paste that and you'll see that it automatically selects that video for me. I'm going to select that video. I can rename the tab if I need to or I want to, but in this case, I'm just going to leave it the default and I'm going to hit save. You can see here that it's setting up the Stream tab. And now that direct video is now going to be embedded as a tab inside of Teams. All right. And the students can now play that video, stream that video directly from within Teams, from within that tab. Now, let's just say tomorrow we want to remove that and replace it. What we can do also then is just click the drop down arrow and we can remove that as a tab. We can put the next chapter up in preparation for tomorrow. Okay, so that's a really good way where you can make your videos available to your team or your class without publishing it to the entire organization or school. All right, so I hope that brings you some value today, and I will see you in the next episode.